here!
It's beautiful!
Who threw this snowball at me?
It wasn't me.
It wasn't me either.
Oh, are you really asking that? Can any of you throw a snowball with those little stupid fins of yours?
This isn't funny.
Now tell me, what are you doing here?
Huh? It's snowing here. We've come to see it.
Oh, this snow is for us, you ridiculous fish! I think you're forgetting that you can't stay above water. You won't survive. Give me that!
The paper's over there.
Look there, I'll get it now.
The water is freezing.
Oh.
It's frozen up there.
We should save Seagull.
You can't break the ice. It's too thick. Biba, what did I tell you? You're not strong enough.
Wait for me. I'll be right back.
Where are you going, Chupa?
I know someone who can break the ice.
Oh, Babu's press release is stuck in the ice. If we miss the application deadline today, Babu's dream will be utterly shattered.